All right, let's be real for a second. You've probably seen those flashy videos where people claim AI is making them thousands of dollars while they sip cocktails on a beach. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's the thing. Most of those people are either exaggerating or leaving out the real secrets. But today, we're cutting through the bull and unraveling 5 ridiculously simple side hustles that really work. And when I say ridiculously simple, I mean it. You don't have to be a tech expert, you don't have to have a lot of money, and you don't even have to have a lot of time. AI has leveled the playing field, and if you're not taking advantage of it, you're essentially leaving money on the table. So let's get started and find out how you can begin printing money. Legally, of course. Now, before we jump into the first side hustle, let's talk about why AI is such a game changer. Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7, never complains, and doesn't need a salary. That's AI for you. It can write, design, code, and even sell stuff for you while you sleep. And the best part, the tools we're about to use are free or dirt cheap. That means you can start making money today without making any excuses. 1. AI-driven content creation. Okay, first off, we have AI-driven content creation. And don't roll your eyes and say, "Ugh, I'm not a writer," just yet. You don't have to be. AI is taking care of all the hard work now. Platforms like ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI, and Claude can create blog posts, social media posts, scripts, and even full ebooks in minutes. And this is where the money-making magic occurs. Companies are in dire need of content. They require blog posts to rank on Google, they require social media posts to remain relevant, and they require emails to keep their customers interested. That's where you fit in. Suppose you get on a freelancing site like Upwork or Fiverr and advertise yourself as an AI-driven content creator. Customers don't care whether you use artificial intelligence or not, as long as the content is good. You enter their order, key in some prompts, and you have a professional article in minutes. Now, rather than wasting hours writing, you're just tweaking and polishing artificial intelligence content so you can serve many more clients and earn much more money. And here's the actual hack. After you build up a few clients, you can begin to sell bulk packages of content. Rather than $50 for one article, you can sell 10 for $500. AI enables you to scale like never before. And if freelancing is not for you, here's an alternative way to earn. Create your own blog. Have AI write the posts and sell it with ads and affiliate links. The AI does the labor, you earn the money. It's that easy. And the most amazing part, once your content is published, it continues earning you money without any additional work. Now, let's discuss something even weirder. Second, AI-generated digital products. This is an extraordinary niche, and hardly anyone is discussing it. AI can now generate digital products that sell like crazy, ebooks, planners, templates, even complete courses. And once you've created them, they sell again and again with no additional effort. It's pure passive income. Let me break it down. Let's say you want to build an ebook. You don't have to create a word by yourself. DeepSeek AI and similar tools can produce a whole book from the topic you provide. Want to build a productivity planner? Canva's artificial intelligence can make the entire one for you. Want to produce a course? AI can make the script, the slides, and even voiceover. You just don't need to do anything but market it and sell it. Now, this is where the money printing comes in. You can sell these digital products on sites like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You put them up and people purchase them while you sleep. No shipping, no inventory, no fuss. And if you want to do it right, you can even use AI voiceovers to convert your ebook to an audiobook and sell it on Audible. One product with several income streams. But let's make this even weirder. You don't even have to produce your own products. With AI, you can purchase inexpensive PLR private label rights articles, plug it into AI to rewrite it, and sell it as your own. It's essentially free money. And just to give you some perspective, some individuals are earning thousands of dollars each month selling basic AI-made journals on Etsy. No joke. All right, now that we've covered content creation and digital products, let's talk about a side hustle that is blowing up right now. 3. AI-powered video creation. If you're not using AI for video creation, you're missing out on one of the biggest money-making opportunities of the decade. Videos dominate every platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. And now, AI can create entire videos for you. Here's the process. You apply AI to create a script in seconds. Then, you input that script into a text-to-video program such as Pictory, Synthesia, or Canva's AI video creator. The AI chooses the images, times it all together, and even creates a voiceover. You don't require a camera, you don't require high-end software, and you don't even need to know how to edit. You simply click some buttons and get yourself professional videos within minutes. So now, how do you monetize this? The most obvious and first thing is YouTube. Faceless AI-generated channels are exploding currently. You choose a niche, finance, motivation, true crime, whatever, and let AI do the job and earn money from ad revenue and sponsorships. Some of these channels are earning 5 to 6 figures a month from AI-generated content. But that's not the only method. Companies require videos as well. You can provide AI-driven video production as a service and charge between $100 and $500 per video. And since AI does most of the work, you can produce several videos in a day. It's essentially a printing press for cash. And if you want to go all out, put this together with the first 2 side hustles. Sell AI-created video courses on Udemy and make it an evergreen cash machine. Or repurpose your blog content using AI and get twice the traffic. The options are limitless. If you are still thinking, that's not what I want, don't worry, the next side hustle is just for you. 4. Business AI chatbots. Companies today are in need of automation, and if you can offer them an AI chatbot, you can charge anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars per installation. Any business, whether it is a restaurant or an e-commerce website, needs a means of answering customer questions 24/7, and AI chatbots make that an easy problem to solve. First, visit platforms such as BotPress, where you can develop and tailor chatbots without programming skills. Then, search for local companies or online stores facing customer support problems. You can simply search on Facebook Marketplace or LinkedIn. Contact and present a basic chatbot solution that responds to FAQs, books appointments, or even handles orders. The beauty of it is that after setting up the chatbot, it operates on autopilot, and you can bill a monthly maintenance fee to keep it current. With as few as 5 to 10 clients paying $100 to $500 a month, you can establish a 5-figure income stream without doing anything after setup. AI-generated prompt selling. If you believe that AI tools such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are mighty, think about being the person who shows others how to use them effectively. That's precisely what AI prompt sellers do. They craft and sell extremely optimized prompts that assist individuals in achieving improved results from AI. The good news? The demand for quality prompts is skyrocketing. Companies, marketers, authors, and even artists are willing to pay for prompts that produce better content, more innovative designs, and impactful AI outputs. To begin with, play around with various AI tools and create expert-level prompts that deliver incredible results. Then, bundle them up and sell them on websites such as PromptBase, Etsy, or even Fiverr. If you develop niche-specific prompts, such as prompts for viral YouTube scripts, bestseller ebook generation, or hyper-realistic AI art, you can sell each prompt for $5 to $50. Now, picture selling hundreds of them every month. That's clean, scalable, passive income. Now, if you're still sitting here and thinking, this is wonderful, but can I actually do it? The answer is yes. You don't require experience, you don't require a large budget, and you don't need to spend years mastering complex skills. AI levels the playing field. The only thing preventing you from earning money with AI is, well, you. So, this is the proposition. Choose one of these side hustles. One of them. Commit to 30 days. Work hard, try the tactics, and watch what happens. Worst case scenario? You learn something new. Best case scenario? You get money on autopilot. AI is here, and it's not letting up. The individuals who make the most of it now will be the ones laughing their way to the bank. The question is, are you going to be one of them? And with that, we are at the end of today's video. If you liked these simple side hustles, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-making content ahead.